Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ng reaction ngayon ang dalawang post na nabasa ko na ang binubunyag dito yung mas malalim na dahilan kung bakit biglang nag-resign si Senator Ping Lacson as chairman ng Blue Ribbon Committee. Unahin natin ito kay Attorney Wilfredo Garrido. Sabi niya, "Don't quit, Ping Lacson." Bullied by Marcoleta, Ping Lacson says he will resign tomorrow. Actually, nag-resign na siya. Yung formality na lang pala. He will resign tomorrow as chair of the Blue Ribbon Committee. Why can't he stand up to this man? Has he gone mellow? Lumambot eh. He has stood up to bigger adversaries before, JMA and First Gentleman, who moved heaven and earth to put him in jail. He even stabbed Erap in the back. Yung people power to. Tumalikod siya kay Erap. Why can't he even put this Marcoleta in his place? Shut him down, throw the book at him, and declare him out of order. Correct. Siya ang chairman eh. Nagre-reklamo siya na may nanggugulo. Ay, pag ako ang chairman, out of order. Stop it! Ganon lang. Hindi man niya kayang gawin kay Marcoleta. Hail him to the Ethics Committee for repeatedly disrupting the proceedings and lawyering for the Discayas. We were rooting for him and did not expect him to surrender so easily, leaving his partner Soto in the lurch. Okay. Resigning will most likely break up the majority just days, ousting Cheese, and pave the way for the return of the Duterte group with Alan Peter Cayetano as Senate President. Baka sa Lunes, iba na ang Senate President. What a disaster. We expected more from Lacson. He should think long and hard about it overnight, get some balls, and kick ass. Okay. So, nasasayangan si Attorney Garrido, Wilfredo. Ako, paborito kong lawyer ito. Kahit sino, binabatikos niya. Maka Duterte man, Marcos man, kung mali, talagang sinasabi niya. Very objective ang mga analysis ni Attorney Wilfredo Garrido. Ito, sandali Ito, sa mga comments, sabi dito, he did it to save the present majority para hindi mawatak-watak ang majority, nag-resign siya. So, ibig sabihin, he did it to save Senator Soto to stay as Senate President. Yan ang isang rason na sinasabi dito. And there's sense it's possible. Parang siya na ang nagano. Phil Langley Forensic. He is saving the Soto presidency if ever it could be salvaged. Sabi ni my thoughts to. So maraming nag-agree and ako rin analyzing what is happening, pwede. Isang rason yan kung bakit siya nag-resign para ang kanilang kasamaan sa majority. Kasi, grumbling, nagre-reklamo ang mga kasama nila eh. Kaysa yung mga kasama nila sa majority, aalis sa majority at sasama sa minority, sige na lang, resign na lang ako para matapos ang problema. O, di ba? O, ito, mas matindi itong kay Mark Anthony Lopez. Why Ping quit? Bakit nag-quit, ha? Tingnan nyo. Is it true? Nagtatanong lang naman. Kasi medyo malalim itong kanyang pahayag. Is it true? The real reason why Senator Ping Lacson resigned as Blue Ribbon Chair is because he is being pressured by Malacanang to stop the hearings on flood control anomalies. So Malacanang ang may kamay. Last week, he ordered the invitation to Martin Romualdez and Saldico to appear in the Blue Ribbon hearing. When Romualdez got hold of the info, he pleaded with PBBM to ask Ping to resend the invitation because he will not be able to stand that kind of scrutiny and public indignity. And so Malacanang asked Ping to suspend the hearings, which he did. Okay? But he also made sure to quit to deflect the expected raids against the suspension of the hearing. Posible? Ano sa tingin nyo? May posibilidad din. Anyway, these are questions, mga analysis ba ito ni Mark Anthony Lopez or opinion niya, walang basihan, haka-haka lang. Kasi nakakapagtakay. Ang ganda ng simula, yung pag-handle ni Senator Ping sa Blue Ribbon Committee hearing, okay siya. Kahit yung iba, ayaw kay Senator Ping. Nung pinalitan niya si Senator Marcoleta, maraming umaayaw. Ako, okay lang ako. Kasi anti-corruption procedure siya, true and true. Ang ganda. Bigla na lang nagbago nung pumutok yung si Master Sergeant Orly Gutesa. Everything changed. Nakakapagtaka. Hanggang ito na sinuspend niya na. Ano sa tingin nyo? May kamay ba ang Malacanang? Si Romualdez ba nagpatulong sa palasyo para hindi tuloy? Kasi ang last announcement ni Senator Ping na natuwa ko, iimbitahan na nila si Romualdez, iimbitahan na nila si Saldico. Sabi ko, ito na. Totoo na ito. Hanggang nagsalita si Senator Amy, sabi niya, wala na. Tiklop ng Blue Ribbon Committee hearing. Dahil ayaw nilang lumampas pa ang accountability, hanggang Saldico lang ang gusto nila. Kaya wala nang hearing para hindi madamay yung iba. Ay, nako. So, tingnan natin anong mangyayari bukas. Salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa ating channel.